Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Hi guys, ito na nakalagay natin.
Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Hey, first meal as a family! First meal as a family! No, boarding house.
Walk up the river.
Yung ulam. Basta iba yung ulam. Oy, salamat nga pala sa aming cookie! Napakaangas! Sheesh!
Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin, pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan.
Okay lang yan.
Kapit ka lang sa akin,
Na ang aming kalagayan ngayon as a social worker. Nandito kami ngayon mga kapatid sa mga punuan.
huwag ka nang mag-alanganin. Dito ka lang at ako'y sabayan.
Tao po!
Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatakbo. Tayo
Nakakapagod na ate.
lahat
Hindi, nakakapagod na interview. Nakakapagod na lakad.
doon na muna tayo sa
Where we are going.
ating
Wait.
mundo. At uulit-ulitin, paborito nating tugtugin, walang sawang aawitin. Dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Ooh.
sa amin sa papahingahan. Yan guys, o si nanay. Nakatulog kami dyan guys ng 20 minutes. Tapos dyan din kami kumain. Napakabait ni nanay. Kasi may anak din daw siyang artist. Ngayon, nararamdaman niya ang mararamdaman. So, yun, salamat sa nanay. Sa pagpapatuloy sa amin. It's the best feeling ever. Saan niya yun? Nag-vlog ka? Okay.
Tayo natikutin,
Isang lakaran sa initan.
digdig sa loob ng salamin. Pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan. Kapit ka lang sa akin, libutin natin mga bituin. Huwag ka nang mag-alanganin, dito ka lang at ako'y sabayan. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatakbo.
Dagat time! Sayo!
Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon naman
Guys, ito talaga ang tunay na proof of life. It's outing time!
at uulit-ulitin, paborito nating tugtugin. Walang sawang aawitin, dito ka lang sa aking tabi.
Mga paa namin. With paa pa rin. Mukhang paa. Paa namin. Mukhang paa. Ganun. Hindi, paa. Paa pa rin. Anong pinagkaiba, Mars? Offensive number 3. Hindi ko din. Ulit. So, ito na guys ang kalagayan niyo ng mga social work student. Sa ngayon po, sa dagat kami. Ay, atake! Ito ang kalagayan namin. Samantalang sila. Sanani-nani. Wala, di mo alam yun. Alas 4 pa lang nakailan ka na.
Yes, patingin ang proof of life. Yan, harap-harap.
Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Tayo ay lilipad,
Kita niyo yan guys. Kita niyo yan. Yan kayo nalakarin namin.
doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Na siya yun na
Ay lilipad, lahat matutupad.
niya Yossi.
Tayo
Yossi!
ay lilipad, lahat matutupad.
Gupo niya, pintos natin yan.
Sa sarili nating mundo.
Ayan guys, this is us before our... we're going to Cansalaw. Cansaliw. It's our day 3. Yan, fresh hills ko lang. Kasi guys, ang ganda talaga ng lipi ko. Diba ang ganda ng lipi ko? Yan, mga fresh look lang, mga atake namin. Yan, Shai, say hi! Hi! Hi!
Okay guys, ulitin ko yung update ko sa inyo.
Tapos may interview ng
tag dito, naiwalay kami kila Shai. So, tatlo na lang kami ngayon, si Mariela, Hamil, and me. And you know what? I have an update sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yung damit. Kita nyo ba? Yan, nasulatan siya ng ballpen na bang sa biyahe kami. Yan, ang hindi ko alam. Hindi ko malang naramdaman kasi yung ballpen tulak naman. Asar, sana matagal na siya. But for now, saan nga kami ngayon? Tansalyo. Interblock kami. Ito ang lalakarin namin. Naghahanap kami ng bahay may senior citizen. Sa sector na nakasign sa akin. So, we'll update you later. Bye!
Return to calmer waves across the sea. A moment of clarity. No matter what the future holds, it's you my heart beats for. You are like a star. No
Freshie ba rin natin kay Tatani? Dito kami ngayon sa isang bahay. At ang aming interviewer. Tama ba? Interview guide. Interviewee. Hindi interviewee ang tawag sa pina-interview eh.
Maka-interviewing.
Interview person.
Interview.
Yan na sila.
oceans that crash along the shore. Return to calmer waves across the sea. A moment of clarity. My love remains.
Hi guys! So nakauwi na kami sa aming bahay. At naabutan na. This is us. Oh my gosh, oo nga pala. This is us after ano. This is us praying that this was the very first place. Ito na. Wala, grabe yung freshly, freshly po kanina. Ito na siya. Pretty pa din. Walang nagbago. I know, right?
Saan ako last dyan?
Saan ang hulas
Saan
dyan?
ako last dyan?
Oh, kaliwa. Kanan. Kanan pala. Kaliwa. Saan ang hulas dyan? Walang tapon. Uy! Uy, ang cutie pa rin na lipstick. Pack na pack. Bye, guys.
Heart beats for.
Libangon na first.
It's you my heart beats for. My heart it beats for you.
Mars, no? Pag hindi mo ipipindot pa,
Saan yung kanina lang yan?
dapat
March spray na lang yan?
Kalikutan ka na. Guys, kape-kape lang.
kayo?
It's for you. And when the sun sleeps at night, is the perfect time 'cause I get to dream of you while waiting for the morning light. What are we doing? Oceans that crash along the shore. Return to calmer waves across the sea. A moment of clarity. No matter what the future holds, it's you my heart beats for. And you are like a star, that no matter where you are, I don't feel so far away. And when
Guys, good morning ah. Nag-outfit check na dito yung mga classmate namin. kasama namin dito sa bahay. Pero kami dito, tarari-rari, rari-rari-rari, rararara.
when there's no one.
Mababango na sila, magaganda na sila. Ako, mabango at maganda kahit parang di ko. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you.
That way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you heart pump out some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like
Si Maria na ginahanap niya yung pangalan niya sa nag-take ng board exam sa pasado.
to confess
Wala yung pangalan niya kasi wala naman siya parang nag-exam.
the start.
Unang gabi ka rin. Ayun o, gabi. Wala. Ay, Maria, sinunod. Ano mo kaya pa niya dyan? Ano mo kaya pa niya dyan? Ay, sana nandiyan ako muna kasi killer for reason. Wala ka, miss. Hindi ka kasi nag-take ay. Miss, wala ka dito kayo. Miss, hindi ka kasi nag-take. Ano mo kaya pa niya dyan? Kinakabahan ako.
On my bed staring terrifying love is driving insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know
Malakas po ni Mariela nakapantulog sa baba.
this.
Naka-fiesta. Nakapantulog. Yay! Tapos din pala natin to eh. And I walk in the room and I shimmer.
Coming along through the years.
Oh, yun. Naka-airban na brown. Wala na.
Been tucking away all these tears. Got a strange obsession.
Wala na. Face card.
I wanna stay right here. If I could, I would, my dear. But the tick can never stop. Forever spinning on this rock.
Ay, kasama rin.
I'm learning life the way this game's played.
Muno si Hamid.
Well, if I ever grow old, I'm needing your hand to hold. Just us two. In the moment, the world could fall right down. At least I'm falling. So if I ever grow old, but I don't mind being young.
Yan ang
Now
boyfriend ko.
that I find myself, don't think I'm quite mentally prepared. Though when you and I link up, just look how easy things become. Oh, you could play this game alone, but you might need your players too if I ever grow old. I'm needing your hand to hold. No, no, just us two. In a moment, the world could fall right down. Well, grow. Oh, I wanna grow with you.
Tama na.
Oh, with you. Oh, if I ever go home, all I need in your hand to hold. Just us two. Oh, in the moment the world could fall right down, but could you fall for me to ever go? I wanna go with you, but I don't mind being.
Oy, Amel. Ano mananami mo, Amel?
Sino may mawang?
The moon is high, like your friends were the night that we first met. Went home and tried to stalk you on the internet. Now I've read all of the books beside your bed. The wine is cold, like the shoulder that I gave you in the street. Cat and mouse for a month or 2 or 3. Now I wake up in the night and watch you breathe. Kiss me once, cause you know I had a long night. Kiss me twice, cause it's gonna be alright. 3 times, cause I waited my whole life.
I'm so obsessed with myself.
So guys, this is our look for today. This is me, this is Princess, and this is Ate Ariely. You can see her pa because, you know. And now, camera! And now we were going to, this is our bahay. Ayan. So, Mini, are you going with me? Or are you going with Ate Ariely? Or let's just go together. Let's go girls! Let's go guys! And now we're going to our, you know, the place where we belong. You know, doon sa may assembly. So yeah, we're walking now. We're walking down the street. Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Which takes me back to the color that we painted your brain.
Ayan, guys, ako nga pala naka-assign ngayon. Na may mga tumasin na dito. Morning, afternoon, ma'am. Ay, ito na nga pala yung mga kasama ko. Ayan. And ito yung amis ko na dessert.
That's right, darling, you're the one I want. I hate accidents except when we went from friends to this our fault. That's right, darling, you're the one I want. Paper rings in picture frames in dirty dreams. Oh, you're the one I want. I want to drive away with you. I want your complications too. I want your dreary Mondays. Wrap your arms around me, baby boy. I want to drive away with you. I want your complications too. I want your dreary Mondays. Wrap your arms around me, baby boy. I like shiny things, but I'd marry you with paper rings. That's right.
So as of now guys, ano ba natin ngayon? Ano nagkakas kami ng TNA na ayun na naman nag breakaway and sexual TNA mo kasi siya
Darling, you're the one I want. Shiny things, but I'd marry you with paper rings. That's right, darling, you're the one I want. I hate accidents except when we went from friends to this. That's right, darling, you're the one I want. Paper rings. In all my dreams. You're the one I want. Paper rings in picture
mo, isama ko na sa upload.
You're the one I want. In the winter, in the icy outdoor pool. When you jumped in first, I went in too. I'm with you, even if it makes me blue. Which takes me back to the color that we painted in the other wall. Honey, without all the exes, fights, and flaws, we wouldn't be standing here so tall. So, kiss you once 'cause I know you had a long night. Kiss you twice 'cause it's gonna be alright. 3 times 'cause you waited your whole life.
So, this is us.
Yung ice nung kinakabi pa.
Ano yun?
Kay Bal, hindi lang kay Bal ay ice. Sa ice coffee kinakabi na kay Bal. Ano yung ice coffee pa yung ice coffee?
That's right, darling. You're the one I want. Oh, you're the one I want. I want to drive away with you. I want your complications too. I want your dreary Mondays. Wrap your arms around me, baby boy. I want to drive away with you. I want your
Di ba hindi pa di challenge?
I want your dreary
Maghanap
Mondays.
ka na tayo.
Wrap your arms around me, baby boy. I like shiny things, but I'd marry you with paper rings. That's right, you're the one I want. I hate
Hi guys! So, today is our departure. Tama ba departure? Sa
Darling,
New Dagupan.
you're the one I want.
It's me and
Things, but I'd marry you with paper rings.
Guys, andyan na yung sundo namin. So, I guys, this is a goodbye. Goodbye, Dagupan. Thank you for welcoming us and for loving us. You're so kind. Ano parang ganda ko, umagang-umaga. Thank you, Dagupan. I'm gonna cry.